Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A facial expression chart is a powerful visual tool used across diverse fields, including psychology, counseling, acting, and artificial intelligence. This chart presents a comprehensive array of facial expressions and emotions, ranging from basic feelings like happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and surprise to more subtle and complex emotions like confusion, disgust, contempt, and beyond. The primary objective of the chart is to enhance people's ability to recognize and interpret emotions accurately. In psychology and counseling, therapists utilize these charts during therapy sessions to help their patients develop emotional awareness. For actors and performers, the chart is a valuable resource for honing their craft. By studying and understanding the intricacies of facial expressions, they can imbue their performances with authenticity and convey emotions convincingly to their audience. Moreover, facial expression charts are pivotal in artificial intelligence and human-computer interaction. Researchers use these charts to develop advanced algorithms and technologies that recognize and interpret human emotions based on facial cues. To use our facial expression chart, follow these steps. Download our facial expression chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. To begin, carefully observe the person's facial features, paying attention to movements in the eyebrows, eyes, mouth, and other facial muscles. These subtle cues provide valuable information about the individual's emotional state. The chart typically includes fundamental emotions such as happiness, sadness, anger, fear, surprise, and disgust. Recognize these basic emotions as they often have distinct facial patterns associated with each emotion. Moving beyond the basics, the chart also showcases more nuanced emotions like confusion, contempt, awe, pride, embarrassment, and more. These emotions may involve combinations of facial cues or slight variations in the basic expressions. Compare and observe facial expressions with the examples on the chart. Note the similarities and differences to identify the emotions being conveyed accurately. Regular practice with the chart enhances your ability to recognize emotions accurately. Familiarize yourself with the intricacies of each emotion, finding your interpretation skills. As stated before, the facial expressions chart can be applied in psychology and counseling and enhance acting performances, as well as being used in artificial intelligence. Here is a sample of our facial expression chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our facial expression chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.